In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Chrome. Grammarly checks your writing as you type, helping you catch spelling, grammar, and clarity issues across email, documents, and websites. I'll walk you through installing it, keeping it visible in your toolbar, and signing in so you can start using it right away. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're actually in Chrome, since extensions from the Chrome Web Store only install there. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Chrome Web Store or type it into your address bar. Either way, you'll land on the page where all Chrome extensions live. In the store's search box, type Grammarly. From the results, click the listing called Grammarly, AI, Writing, and Grammar Checker. This is the official extension that integrates directly into your browser. Click the button that says Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will pop up. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install Grammarly in just a few seconds, and you'll see a brief notice confirming it was added. After it installs, keep Grammarly easy to reach by pinning it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon at the top right of Chrome. In the list that opens, find Grammarly and click the pin icon next to it. This makes the Grammarly logo stay visible at the top of your browser so you can access it with a single click. When Grammarly is active, you'll see its icon up there, and you'll start noticing suggestions appearing as you type on supported sites. To start using Grammarly, click the Grammarly icon in your toolbar. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a free account in a moment so your settings and preferences can sync. A free account gives you essential writing checks. Just keep in mind that some advanced features require a premium plan, which you can explore later if you need deeper feedback. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Grammarly works best when Chrome is up to date, so make sure you're on the latest version for smooth performance. If you don't see Grammarly appearing on a page where you expect it, try refreshing the page. And if it still doesn't show up, open the extensions menu and re-enable the Grammarly extension by toggling it off and back on. That's it. You've installed Grammarly, pinned it for quick access, and signed in so it's ready to help wherever you write in Chrome.